Good afternoon and welcome. I'm here at Chickahominy Falls at the barn at Woodside Farms and the farm here at Woodside Farms with Margaret Thompson. Margaret is our new marketing coordinator here and operations manager, and she's helping us put together some really fun events for the fall. Margaret, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us a little bit about what's going on this fall here at the farm.
Well, at the farm this fall, we've decided we're going to roll out a cooking demo series on Wednesday nights, twice a month for the next 3 months. And we're preparing dishes that are made from products on the farm, and it's going to be really fun, and we'd be excited to have everybody come out.
That's right. So every Wednesday, or every other Wednesday here for the next few months, it's twice during the evening. We're going to have a cooking demo and tastings and everything for people while they're shopping the farm. So we hope that lots of people will come out and stay around and enjoy some of the fresh produce and learn some new ways to cook things here. Another thing with our Fall in Love series here at the farm, which I love, you're going to be doing a native plate series. Sounds so cool.
That's kind of and we're in the process of putting this together and giving it some air and some feet. But so far we've got about 3 dates, one each month on a Saturday at lunchtime during our farm stand hours. It's a private paid event, so it won't be inside the barn with the farm stand. We'll be preparing 3 or 4 course meals, and there will be goodies to take away at the end.
So it's fantastic. So some really fun things to look forward to here at the farm. And I know everyone's going to really enjoy them and learn even more ways why Woodside Farms is just the best place to come and get all of your produce needs and health and wellness.
Yeah.
Thanks, Margaret. Thanks for joining us.
Appreciate it.
All right, today we will be making squash chips, squash dip, and I'll be showing you how to cook and prepare a spaghetti squash, all from the farm. Everything is portioned out, and here's some examples. This is a butternut squash, an acorn squash, and then this is the finished product of the squash dip. You can use any of these 2 winter squashes, and you can make these at home very easily. What you're going to want to do is have your squashes. So you're going to cut this part off, use this top part for the chips, and then this part you're going to be using for your dip. You're going to take the seeds out of the squash, and then you're going to lightly coat it in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and bake it at 400 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. You'll scoop it out, adding garlic, salt, pepper, a little bit of coconut milk, a little bit of cream cheese, and then pureeing it. And at the end, you'll be able to garnish it with whatever you want, but what we're going to use is crushed almonds and diced cilantro. Our chips that we have, this is just a plain squash chip. That's just this stalk, peeled, sliced into 1/4-inch slices, and then baked very carefully. They will burn if you're not paying attention. You coat them in olive oil, and then a curry paste, which is what we use for these 2, but you can use any seasonings that you want. As long as you're being very careful and paying attention, you won't burn them. Delicious, healthy snack.